Hello everyone, welcome you all in my new video. This is the third video of CSIR NET Earth Science June 2015 problem. So the problem is related to resistivity method. So the problem is a 20 centimeter cube of a rock measures a resistance of 200 ohm. The resistivity of the rock is 400 ohm meter, 1000 ohm meter, 800 ohm meter and 40 ohm meter. So if we consider this is a cube, so this is a cube of side A. Now we will see the basic of cube. So if we consider the cube of side A and the in problem which is 0.2 meter, so we will convert the, so we have to convert the side from centimeter to meter. So here I convert this 0.2 meter. Next is number of faces. So in a cube, if you will consider your room as a cube, so you will see there are 6 walls. So you can say the number of faces in a cube is 6. Next is the surface area of each side, which is, if we consider this upper face, this one, so length and width of this plane is A and A, so the area of this side you can say will be A into A, because this is a square, so the area will be A square. Next is volume of cube, so the entire volume of this cube will be A cube. Now one more thing given, that resistance which is 200 ohm. Sorry, so in the problem resistance is 200 ohm. So these are the given parameter. Next is, if for a given material the resistance which is proportional to length and inversely proportional to cross sectional area, so resistance which is depend upon the length as well as cross sectional area. So if we consider along this plane and this plane and this plane, if these three plane having different area, that is for example in case of cuboid, so the cross sectional area will be different for each plane and therefore the resistance will also different. So if resistance which is proportional to length A and inversely proportional to cross section area A, so if we combine these two, we will get resistance which is equals to resistivity into L divided by A. So here resistivity, which is rho, is a constant for a certain material. So for a particular material this value will be constant and the variable value will be R, that is resistance, and resistivity rho will be constant. So if we use this formula and side is A and surface area is 0.04 meter square, so and one more thing, resistance which is 200 ohm, if we combine these four, that is by putting the value of R, L and A, we will get 200 which is equals to rho into 0.2 which is divided by 0.04. If we multiply by 100, so we will get 200 which is equals to 20 and divided by 4. Next, if we solve this, we will get rho into 5 which is equals to 200, and here you can see rho into 5 which is equals to 200. Next term, in next step, if we divide it, we will get rho which is 40 and the unit will be ohm meter. So the resistivity, the unit of resistivity will be ohm meter, and the unit of resistance will be, you can say, ohm. So sometime the question may ask the unit of resistivity and resistance. So the unit of resistivity will be ohm meter and the unit of resistance will be ohm. So your answer will be 40 ohm. So option D, that is 40 ohm, will be the correct. So I hope you like my video, so please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Thank you once again.